Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete shows or movies from from my list on Netflix mobile. So first, you can just open the Netflix apps on your mobile phone and select the profile. And in here, you can scroll down until you find the My List section in here and click on See All. Then just select the shows that or movies that you want to delete or remove from your watch list or my list. So for example, I want to delete this movies right here. Click on the movie title and here uncheck the my list option like that, and let's go back. So the movies that I selected before will be deleted from my list. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.